chapter 17, Stars and the Solar System, is an interesting chapter which describes the solar system, the universe, and the different heavenly bodies which are found in the space. So you will read about that what are the different parts of the solar system, what are the different parts of the universe, what are heavenly bodies, and the different aspects of the universe. Now you have been studying about stars. If we observe the night sky, then we see the stars as well as the moon. So what do you know about those stars? You have studied that stars are the heavenly bodies. They are found in the space and that they are twinkling in the sky. So what is the difference between a star and the sun? What is the difference between a star and the moon? All these things are relevant in this chapter. This chapter is a link between the brightest objects in the night sky, the stars, the planets, the moon, and many other objects in the space. They are called the celestial objects. So in this chapter we will study about the different celestial objects or the heavenly bodies which are found in the space. Activity 17.1 is a simple activity which all of you must have observed. When you observe the moon continuously for several nights, you have seen that the shape of the moon changes. If you make a sketch of the moon every night, you will see that the shape of the moon is different in all the sketches. There are some days when the shape of the moon appears to be perfectly round. Are there days when the moon cannot be seen? So you will get answers in this topic only. The day on which the whole side of the moon is visible is known as the full moon day, and in Hindi it is called Purnamasi, where the full moon is visible. So we will get to know that why does it appear to be full round. It is, as the answer is simple, that the full face of the moon receives light of the sun, therefore it appears to be full round. So every night in the sky, the size of the bright side of the moon appears to become thinner and thinner. So if you start by observing the moon when the full moon is visible, that is a full moon day. After that, on the next day and the days following, the bright side of the moon starts becoming smaller and smaller, and on the 15th day the moon is not visible. This day when it is not visible is called the new moon day. The next day after the moon is not visible, only a small part of the moon is seen in the sky. These are the shapes of the moon which keep on changing. This is called the crescent moon. The crescent moon is the moon which is seen as a small fraction of the